Well, my reaction is, you know, as I said before, I was worried about a conditional sentence. So at least we've got some penitentiary time here. I think that you know, in our system, the bar has been set low when it comes to these issues to begin with. But I think that the bar is moving up slowly. Obviously, it's not a sentence that we all want to see. I think that one thing that is very clear with this is that the invisible trauma that these issues inflict on victims of crime and sexual abuse is something that we really need to make visible, because the sentencings don't come close to the damage that it leaves in its wake, and that's been very clear to me here today.
The building here is called the Law Courts building. It's not called the Hall of Justice. Graham James was never going to get justice today. Graham James was going to get a legal result. The Harper government has done a great job in this sector by recently passing and getting that omnibus crime bill passed to move the bar up, as Sheldon says. We've got to keep the work going, though, because a person like Graham James, there has to be a better system. There has to be a better way to deal with a monster like Graham, who repeatedly abused children. It's unfathomable that a guy like Graham gets 2 years for what he did. But at the same time, he is going to jail. He'll be in jail tonight. He's going to a penitentiary, and that's a good thing.
How do you feel? How do you feel your case wasn't considered? How do you feel today?
I was never going to get third-party validation or vindication through the process. The fact that the formal process is over is a good thing, and now I can get on with my recovery. And victims out there should this is a good thing for victims to see. They will be heard. Come forward, you will be heard, and the perpetrators of crime will be punished.